come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short, we blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Good morning, friends, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. As you can see, I'm ready for the day, and I showed you some of my morning. We had some peppermint coffee. It was delicious. And now it is time to go to work. So I'm going to be working this morning. And then I have some errands to run. So I'll bring you along with that. And then for the rest of the day, I'm pretty much planning on doing some cleaning up around the house, like doing some laundry, dishes. You guys, my outfit. So I don't have my shoes on yet, but I'll just be wearing my bare paw short boots. But I just have this long sleeve turtleneck, black and white striped from Kohl's, I think. And then this cardigan is from Old Navy. It's a little bit wrinkly, but this belt is from Forever 21. And then these are just Target jeans. So that's my outfit for December 1st. Hello, friends. My car's being loud. I just got out of work, like I said, so now I have some errands to run. So okay, this is the book I got. Sorry if you can't hear me really well, I have my mask on. But it's The Afterlife of Holly Chase, and it is basically like a Christmas Carol kind of story. So yeah, I'm really excited to read this, and I think the front cover is just so cute too. So sounds like a fun, like, Christmassy but like not traditional, and I'm excited. All right, so now I am home from work, and I wasn't able to do my last errand because when I went to pay for my prescription, I realized that my ID was not in my wallet. And as you know, you cannot buy alcohol unless you have an ID, especially when you're me, because everyone always thinks I'm like 15 or 16 years old. So I think I'm just gonna ask James to pick it up on his way home, and that should work out fine. And if we can't find it, we will just work with what we have. But I'm going to change into comfy clothes. I never wear my work clothes all day, and eat some lunch, and then I will catch up with you guys after that. All right, guys, so as you can see, I've changed into folklore crew neck that I love. I don't know why I feel so awkward right now. I had lunch, and now I'm getting caffeinated. Isn't this the cutest cup? Like, let's just give that a minute. James' cousin makes cups. She only is doing it like local right now, I'm pretty sure, but if she ever like moves to like shipping these or gets like an Etsy shop or anything, I will totally let you guys know, because she made this for me for Christmas, and it's the cutest. I love it so much. So I'm drinking my leftover Starbucks from yesterday, and now we need to clean. It is a mess, so let me show you the messy house that I'm currently residing in. Okay, so yeah, out here is like not really bad, and in here is not really bad, but let me show you the absolute mountain of laundry that I have to do. So I need to fold all of that, and then if we head over to the kitchen, I have these dishes to put away, these dishes to wash, and these to put away, so, and trash to take out. Whoops. James' parents actually for Christmas, we did our Christmas with his family early. They got me these new pans and they're actually really nice. So I need to take out all the old pans that I'm getting rid of. I'm gonna donate them probably. If they're in good enough condition, they're honestly really crappy pans. And replace these, but I'm gonna need the counter space later for making dinner and stuff. So I just really have to get that done. So here's the before. And now you get the pleasure of jumping right to the after of like an hour and a half of work. Okay, everything is clean, as you can see. Neighbor kids are running around. And all the laundry is folded and put away. And there's Miss Maui. You want to say hi? All right, so now I'm going to get some stuff ready for dinner. So we're having cheddar bacon Perogies, homemade. It just sounded really delicious and kind of festive. I'm not sure why, but it did. So I'm gonna go make the dough for that and then get started on our dessert. All right, so to make these cheddar bacon Perogies, first we have to make the dough. So I'm gonna pull up the recipe, and this is from Half Baked Harvest. She is an amazing recipe blogger, and I love her recipes. So the dough is flour, salt, butter, yogurt, and an egg. So I'm gonna get all of those and mix them together.
Again, just under, I don't want to brag. You put a competing offer in on the Twickham house.
Should I include this commentary in my vlog?
Sure, it could be a teaser to our podcast.
Yeah, do you want to say hi?
Hello.
We think we should make a podcast, so you should comment down below if you would like a podcast from me and Katie.
Oh, it'd be great. We would do so many hot takes.
Yeah, we'd spill the tea.
The world would never be the same.
Nope.
Oh, yeah.
here. I'm literally so exhausted. I was a little bit too ambitious with thinking that I could get that whole meal done and the dessert and the drink. It was just a lot. The recipe said that the pierogies would only take an hour and 30 minutes, and I started them at 3:30 and it's 6:20. And we're just now sitting down to eat, and I was baking that the whole time. So I just got the dinner done and the drink. So we're gonna try it now. Hopefully it's good. Did you already try it?
Very good.
Is it good?
2 thumbs up.
Oh, good. I was like, this better taste good. I'm so tired. Didn't quite catch it on camera, but she was sniffing it. So it's very bad lighting in here, but this is what it looks like. It kind of looks unappetizing. Oh, there we go. It kind of looks unappetizing, to be honest. The picture of the recipe was much cuter. And then this is the cocktail we need. It's the Holly Jolly citrus cocktail, and I was kind of like, I added these pomegranate things because that's what she had in the recipe, and I kind of wish I didn't because it literally doesn't add to the flavor, and now they just get stuck in the straw. But this is good too. We're just gonna eat this and chill for a bit, and I will update you later. Okay guys, I'm in my office. This is my office. I haven't shown it in a while, so it looks different than my office tour videos, so I should probably do an updated one. It is about 6:30, and I'm going to do editing and some like YouTube work until 7:45, and then I'm gonna call it quits for the night so that I can just kind of relax. I have been going today, and unfortunately that meal just took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. So I was planning on like editing this afternoon because I thought I'd be like done with the meal by like 4, and then we would just eat like when we were hungry, but it didn't work out that way. But that's okay, like we gotta roll with the punches. And I was watching Morgan Long's vlogmas video today. She is amazing. You guys should check her out if you haven't already. And she was saying she's setting an intention every day for Vlogmas, and I love that idea. And her intention for the first day of Vlogmas was patience, and I kept thinking that while I was cooking, like patience, like trying to enjoy what I was doing. I really enjoy cooking, but when it gets really long like that, where you've been in the kitchen on your feet for 3 hours, it just sometimes can get exhausting. So trying to have patience. I'm gonna start editing this video so I can get it up tomorrow for you guys, and yeah, I'll update you after. Okay, it's movie time. So here's my printable. You can find it on my website. It will be linked down below. So far we've watched Home Alone 1, The Family Stone, and Dash and Lily, so we have a lot to choose from, but I'm probably gonna let James choose, and that's what we're gonna watch tonight. But it is time. The most satisfying part of the day. Ripping off the eyelashes. Oh yeah, buddy. James decided Operation Christmas Drop on Netflix, so we will give you a full review after we're done.
When everything is white, glimmering.
Okay guys, so we made it about halfway through the movie, and we both just got kind of disinterested a little bit. And then Spotify Wrapped came out today, so I got distracted and we both looked through our Spotify Wrapped. So if you can guess my top artist, I'll give you like 3 seconds to do so.
3, 2, 1.
It was Taylor Swift, of course. And then my top 5 songs were all from Folklore, which does not surprise me. That album is my life. I mean, I don't relate to an album any more than that album, to be honest. My second top artist was Panic at the Disco, and then it went Michael Bublé, Meghan Trainor. Those are always so fun to check out. So just so you know, Spotify Wrapped is out. You guys should go check out your top artists and let me know them down below. But needless to say, the movie did not capture our attention that much. It's alright. It's very Hallmarky Christmas vibes, which if you love, you'd really like that movie. Literally, do not come at me, bro, but like I am not the biggest fan of Hallmark movies. But yeah, I'm gonna go lay in bed and read, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm so tired. Guys, Vlogmas is gonna be exhausting, but so worth it. So, let's go start my new poop page.